At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for doctors involves several steps to ensure legal compliance and protection of personal assets. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Research state laws regarding the formation of medical LLCs. Requirements can vary significantly by state. Consider consulting with a lawyer who specializes in healthcare law or business law to understand the specific regulations and implications for doctors in your state. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with state regulations. Ensure it's not already in use by another business entity. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the Secretary of State's office in your state. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes basic information such as the LLC name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Ensure all doctors involved in the LLC are properly licensed to practice medicine in the state where the LLC will operate. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required for healthcare businesses in your state. 5. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement outlining the ownership structure, management responsibilities, decision-making processes, profit distribution, and other important aspects of the LLC. This document helps clarify the rights and responsibilities of each member and can be valuable in resolving disputes or misunderstandings.
6. Opting an Employer-Identifikation Number ein.
Apply for an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This unique identification number is used for tax purposes and is necessary for hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and filing taxes. 7. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a business bank account in the name of the LLC. 8. Comply with tax obligations. Depending on the structure of the LLC, single member or multi-member, and its location, you may need to file various tax forms such as the IRS Form 1065 for multi-member LLCs or IRS Form 1040 Schedule C for single-member LLCs. Consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure compliance with federal, state, and local tax laws. 9. Obtain business insurance. Purchase liability insurance and any other necessary insurance policies to protect your LLC and its members from potential lawsuits or claims. 10. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in your state, such as annual filings, renewal fees, and other obligations. 11. Seek professional advice. Throughout the process of setting up and running your medical LLC, don't hesitate to seek advice from legal, financial, and tax professionals to ensure you're making informed decisions and complying with all relevant regulations. Remember that each state may have its own specific requirements and regulations, so it's crucial to research and adhere to the laws in your jurisdiction. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.